Hi children, good morning. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn short vowel I sound. Sound of I, A. Okay, shall we read? B, ib, bib, k, id, kit, ig, fig, im, ring. Once more. Bib, kit, fig, ring. P in pin. T, ip, tip. S, it, sit. M, x, mix. Pin, tip, sit and mix. Take your page number 46. Got it? Yeah. Word families: ip, it and ig. Okay. Shall we read? B, ib, bib. N, ib, nib. R, ib, rib. Once more. Bib, nib and rib. These are in ip word family. Next, we will meet it word family. It. Words: k, it, kit, l, it, lit, it, bit, d, it, did, and it, hit. Once more. Kit, lit, bit, did and hit. Next, we will meet ig word family. Ig. Words: ig, dig, ig, fig, ig, wig, ig, big. Once more. Dig, fig, wig and big. My dear children, this time to wind up our class. Bye.